You're on camera.
140 meters.
Belle's a bit excited.
Take the next left.
We're all packed up,
Testing everything.
playing with all our gadgets. The new HEMA map's going. Got our tyre pressure monitor up.
Take the next left.
We're all loaded up, heading to Notch Point.
On Sunset.
Long weekend, first time we've been away overnight since we got to Mackay. It's been like 7 months since we've had an overnight trip away. It's crazy.
Yep.
It took us so long when we've been working, that's right. Where are we going, baby?
Notch Point.
Picked our spot. Panoramic views. Just getting our set up. All our clothes,
Entry.
food,
Games.
towels, camp ovens in there,
Cupboard.
snorkels,
Power.
power.
Solar.
There's Bella's downstairs room, now upstairs room. And all our tools, recovery gear, fire stuff, dog food, you name it. If we need it, it's in here.